Hey Jason, it's Melissa at West Coast Connects. I wanted to take a minute and shoot over this video as promised. We spoke to Kim last week. So I'm going to go through and do a website audit and just show you a few tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence and get you to that first page of Google. So looking at your website here, it does look really great. One thing I can say is that when it comes to Google, content is king. So Google has what's called crawlers, and they're searching for keywords. So they're searching for things like the services that you offer and the areas that you serve. Things like roofers, Albuquerque, New Mexico, roofing contractor in Albuquerque, New Mexico, things like that. Those are all keywords, and you want to include as many keywords as you can in that content we talked about. And they like to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and that's really going to make a difference in you being found and getting to that first page. I would also suggest having some kind of call to action up here at the top of your website. You want to make it as easy as possible for them to reach you. So having a simple call here button or fillable form, that way they can just click on that and their info will go straight to you. So if we go and do a Google search for, say, roofing contractor, Albuquerque, New Mexico, the first thing that always pops up is the Google ads. So these are all the people that are paying per click. And the next thing that you'll see is what we call the map pack. And these are all the companies that have a Google business profile. And there's quite a few ways that you can help to rank your GBP because you really want to try and be in one of these top 3 positions. They're the easiest to be found, and essentially you're going to get the most phone calls coming in, right? So you can add citations. You might be wondering what a citation is. A citation is a directory, any directory where your business name, address, and phone number is listed. There's thousands of them. Things like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Better Business Bureau. Any of those are citations, and the more you have, the better you're going to rank on this map pack. Some other ways that you can help rank this are photos. You want to add at least 15 to 20 photos, and you want to save those photos as those keywords we talked about. Things like roofing contractor, Albuquerque, roofers, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Those are all keywords, and that's going to help you rank and help Google find you to get you to the top of this map pack. The third thing that you can do is add 5-star reviews. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 25 5-star reviews. So all of those 3 things combined, the photos, citations, and reviews, that's all going to help you and get you to the top of this map pack. Then when we scroll down a little bit further, these are the organic listings. So essentially you want to be on the top page of this as well. Again, they're just super easy to be found and going to get the most phone calls coming in. Let's go take a look at this guy Alvarado Roofing's website and see why they're number 1 on the organic listings. So when we look at their website, it looks really nice. You can see they have that call to action that I was talking about up at the front here. So you can just click on their phone number and it goes straight to them. Because as you know, nowadays, a lot of people are looking at this on their phone, and it's super simple for them to just be able to click on it and give you a call instead of having to write the phone number down. Let's face it, people are lazy. So their site looks pretty nice, and they do have quite a bit of content, but I can tell you right off the bat, it's really not enough content, and they would be super easy to beat out content-wise. But obviously there's a couple of other things that go into it too, and other ways that you can rank your website. So we use this program called Ahrefs, and it is going to analyze the back end and see what you're up against and what you need to do in order to outrank them. So this is called the UR and the DR rating, and these numbers are super important when it comes to Google. The UR is going to be how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful your site is. The UR is typically raised by citations, like what we talked about earlier, those directories, and the DR is raised by backlinks. And what the heck is a backlink? A backlink is any website article or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google sees it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more they're going to see your site as being powerful and authoritative, and they're going to kick it to the top of their rankings. Also, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to grab backlinks that are coming from reputable websites. Always remember quality over quantity. So you can see they have 848 backlinks coming from 124 referring domains. They also have 431 keywords that are ranking. And all of this stuff combined, that's bringing 364 people that are visiting their website per month. So if we go and look at some of the keywords that they have on their site, so this is going to tell us, the volume tells us how many times people are searching for that specific keyword per month. So you can see roofing companies, Albuquerque, 800 times per month. That's a lot. Roofing companies, Albuquerque, 700. Albuquerque roofing, 60. Roofers, Albuquerque, 300. So this is why having those specific keywords on your site within your content is so important. So let's take a look at your site. So your URR numbers are pretty good. They'd be easily raised with those backlinks, citations, and content. So you can see you only have 44 people that are visiting your site per month. So you're missing out on all of those people finding your website organically. I think that if you just added some backlinks, some citations, got some really good keywords up in that content like we talked about, you'd be in really great shape in starting to outrank those competitors. All right, Jason. Well, I hope this video finds you well and you can find some time to implement some of these strategies. I really think it'd make a huge difference in getting some more traffic to your site. Please feel free to leave us some feedback. You can either respond to this email or give me a call directly. Again, my name is Melissa. My number is 321-225-2694. Have a great day.